welcome to today's tip. We are going to be doing a Valentine's layout today using some old letters. Now, if you don't have old letters like this, what you can do is go onto a Google, just a plain Word document and select, we're just looking for the three letters X, O and X, blow them right up and print them out until you are left with three letters X, O, X. Now, I've got mine here and I've pulled them out. Now they're from two different kits, so mine are all different colors. So I'm not actually going to use that side. I'm going to flip them over and use the white side behind it. And if you haven't got two kits, don't worry about it. The other thing that you can do is just use the negative space that you've pulled your letter out and just stamp either with some distress inks, or you can use your pigment inks or your archival inks and just imprint the color in through your stencil that would have been created from removing your letters. So I've got my three letters here. I don't know about you, but I always get really annoyed with the fact that they have those little edges on them. Now, one thing you can do is just ink the edges and that will just push them down. I'm going to leave my edges white because I love the sharpness of the white against the color that I've chosen for my Valentine's layout. And I've just got a little bit of sandpaper here that I can use just to get rid of those horrible notches that just make it all look very temporary. So I'm just going to really lightly just smooth off those edges there. Now what I've got is I've chosen a lovely bright pink background for my layout today. And I have mounted it on some white. I'm going to mess around with the dimensions at the end when I feel like I've got a feel for what it looks like. And I'm just going to do a kiss. So XOX, really simply like that. So stick that down. And then I'm going to add I've got two small photographs that I wanted to include. Now I might cut them down a little bit. I haven't quite decided, but I'm just adding a few little love heart embellishments that I've made and just include those. I don't want to affect the integrity of the XOX. I really want that to be front and center. And then I've just got some little hearts that I might add in and a lovely title there. What an easy layout, really effective, really eye-catching and lovely for Valentine's Day. Hope you've enjoyed this tip and I look forward to seeing you next time.